So when I first purchased the shop, it was a job shop. It was pretty dirty, pretty unorganized. Everything relied on the individual. I wanted to make it modern, not just from the machinery and the cutting tools, but also systems. So, we started by creating all of those systems manually or using Excel spreadsheets until we finalized on using StartProto. We were at a point where we had our core personnel. We were able to fulfill our customers' needs, but it was very hard to expand and grow. The owner at Cobb Tool came with this opportunity. I saw it as a way to grow and expand. We certainly have a lot of headaches right now to deal with trying to bring multiple groups together who had different processes, but again, incorporating technology. It helps in multiple ways. One, from the technology itself, and two, a lot of employees, especially the younger ones, are looking for the shops that are advancing and not just standing still and doing things the way that they always did them.
Really impressed with how it streamlines the process. Feel like I can skip the middleman, as it were, go straight to drawings, setup sheets, 3D models, that sort of thing. The things that I want right at hand, I can get.
So Cobb Tool, they were on JobBoss-driven. At first things looked pretty good. I thought, okay, I'm going to be able to figure this out. And then I started trying to find the BOM, the operations, the routing, if you will. Could not find it easily. Navigation was not fluid and smooth. The interface was not as intuitive as I would have liked. People nowadays are used to things like Facebook or Instagram or whatever, where the interface is pretty intuitive. With StartProto, there's images, there's very clearly links or a certain color, and it's fairly easy to navigate. Now, that doesn't mean that there's zero instruction required for StartProto. It just means that people pick it up pretty quick and are off to the races.